Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use the professional dashboard on Instagram. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open up this Instagram apps and go to your Instagram profile. So we are in an Instagram profile. So how can we do that? We have to go on our profile management here on right bottom corner of the screen. Now I will go on professional dashboard. I will just click on it and you can see all the inside of my account. Save replies, add tools or many more options. You can do it from here also. You can see who is following you, who is not following you. You can see each and every inside of your Instagram profile, who is following, from where, the countries, the ages, daily basis, weekly, monthly. So you can see each and every part of your Instagram in this inside. So this is for today. Thanks for watching this video.